In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display calendar items in the side view of Outlook. This walkthrough uses Outlook on the web and shows you how to keep your schedule visible while you work through your emails, so you can check availability at a glance without switching screens. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine, like Google. This gives you a quick way to get to Outlook without needing to remember or type the full address. In the search bar, type Outlook. You should see results for the official Microsoft Outlook site. Choose the result that takes you to the Outlook website. If you're prompted to sign in, that's normal. Use your Microsoft account to continue so you can access your mail and calendar. Once Outlook loads, you'll land in your mailbox. From here, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small calendar icon, often referred to as the My Day icon. Click that. The moment you do, a panel slides in on the right side of the screen. This panel shows your calendar alongside your inbox, so you can keep reading or replying to messages while your upcoming events remain in view. By default, you'll see today's agenda, including meetings and appointments. You can scroll through the panel to see what's coming up later in the day, and you can glance at the mini calendar to orient yourself by date. This view is designed to be lightweight and fast, so it's ideal for quick checks, like confirming whether you're free for a proposed time in an email, without navigating away from your messages. You can continue to move between emails, search your inbox, or start composing a reply while the calendar stays pinned to the side. If you ever want more space for your messages, simply click the same calendar icon again to hide the panel. Click it once more to bring it back when you need it. It's a toggle, so you control when the calendar is visible. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook on the web and use the calendar icon in the top right to show your schedule in a side view while you work through your mail. This small change makes it much easier to coordinate meetings, confirm availability, and stay on top of your day without losing focus. If you're working on a smaller screen, consider keeping the panel open only when you need it. And on larger displays, leave it visible for a clear, continuous overview of your agenda. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Outlook workflow with your calendar right at your side.